In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add quick links in Shopify. This process is straightforward, and once you get the hang of it, you'll find it incredibly helpful for enhancing the navigation of your online store. So let's dive into this step-by-step guide and get started. First things first, we begin by heading over to your Shopify admin. You want to make sure you're logged in and ready to navigate through your store settings. Now, once you're on the Shopify admin homepage, the next step is to locate the Online Store tab in the left sidebar. This is where all the magic happens for customizing your storefront. Once you click on the online store, you'll see a new set of options appear. Among these options, there's one labeled Themes. This is where you manage the look and feel of your store. Go ahead and click on Themes and you'll be taken to the area where you can start making changes to your store's design. Now here's the exciting part. Look for the button that says Customize. This button takes you directly into the theme editor. It's a powerful tool that allows you to see the changes in real time as you make them. Clicking on Customize opens up all sorts of possibilities, and it's from here that you'll be adding those all-important quick links. With the theme editor open, direct your attention to the Sections panel, usually on the left side of the screen. You'll want to scroll down until you see Footer. This is the section generally at the bottom of your web page, and it's a common place to add important links like policy pages, customer accounts, and more. Click on Footer and then look for a section labeled Menu. Once you've located it, give it a click. Menus are an integral part of your site's navigation, and adding quick links here will improve the user experience by providing easy access to key pages. In this area, you can add new menu items, linking them to the appropriate pages or collections on your site. It's important to consider which links your customers will find most useful. Common quick links include Contact Us, About Us, or even links to specific product categories. Think about how you can simplify navigation and enhance the browsing experience for your customers. Once you've added your desired links, don't forget to hit Save. Saving ensures that your changes are updated and reflected on your live site. It's always a good idea to preview your changes before exiting the editor to make sure everything looks and functions as you envisioned. And there you have it, a concise and simple way to add quick links to your Shopify store. This enhancement will not only streamline navigation, but also improve the overall user experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more quick and simple Shopify tips.